How to remove password in the Nvidia. If you have been using the Nvidia and want to remove your password and change it into new one, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open your website or the web browser that you use, just like this. And don't forget to add the Nvidia account and log in, just like this. After logging in, scroll down. And here you can find the account management option. Then here you can find the security settings. Now select it. Then here you can find the password option. Now to remove the password, tap on to change password right here. Then to remove the current password, type your current password right here. Then add a new one and re-enter it. And after doing this, you can simply change your password and remove it. After doing it, simply tap on to save. And that's it. This is how you can remove your old password and add a new one and change your password. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.